Jamb 2012 economics past question number 16. If quantity supplied is constant irrespective of price changes, the supply elasticity is option A says unitary, B says infinite, C says fairly elastic, and D said perfectly elastic. Supply is said to be perfectly inelastic if a change in price has no effect whatsoever on the quantity of goods supplied. In this situation, elasticity is said to be elasticity is said to be equals to zero. Zero. So when elasticity is equals to zero, it is said to be perfectly inelastic. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.